Mixing milk with Vaseline might sound a little unusual at first, but once you try it, you'll be surprised by the incredible results. This simple combination can be used in ways you never imagined, and the benefits may truly amaze you. In this video, I will share 3 essential tricks that can transform your daily routine in the most practical and effective way. Be sure to stay with me until the very end, because you will want to remember these life-changing ideas. You will probably thank me later for sharing these simple but powerful home tips that really work. Let's begin with the very first method. Take a small bowl and place 1 spoonful of Vaseline inside. This humble product is far more powerful than most people think, and it has a wide range of uses that can make life much easier. Comment below with your city so we can see where everyone is watching from. Now take the next ingredient, which is milk, the star of this trick. It does not matter what type of milk you have at home, whether it is whole milk, skimmed milk, or even plant-based milk. All of them will do the job. Add a spoonful into the bowl and then mix the 2 ingredients together thoroughly. Because Vaseline does not blend easily with liquids, it might take a little longer than expected, but do not give up. Keep stirring until you get a soft, creamy paste with a whitish color. Tag a friend who should definitely try this because the mixture can do wonders for the skin. When applied to dry areas such as the hands, elbows, or knees, it nourishes the skin deeply, prevents dryness from spreading, and makes the surface feel soft and healthy again in no time. Now, let's continue with the second tip, which is just as surprising. Once again, put a spoonful of Vaseline into a clean bowl. Comment yes if you are planning to test this trick at home. This time, however, the special ingredient is toothpaste. That is right, any toothpaste will work regardless of its brand, color, or flavor. Add around 1 spoonful and blend it carefully with the Vaseline until the mixture becomes smooth and matches the color of the toothpaste. Rate this second hack from 0 to 10 because I would love to know your opinion. This unique combination creates a cooling sensation that helps calm down discomfort. Whether you have mild pain in your finger, your knee, or another area, this homemade blend provides instant relief while also keeping the skin moisturized. It is fast, simple, and very effective. Do you have your own creative trick at home? Share it in the comments so everyone can benefit. Finally, let us move to the third tip, which might actually be the most exciting of them all. For this last one, you will once again need a little Vaseline placed into a small container. Now add the secret ingredient, which is cinnamon powder. Blend them together thoroughly until the paste becomes smooth and evenly mixed. It may sound surprising at first, but trust me, the result is absolutely incredible for the skin. Cinnamon is naturally full of antioxidants, and when paired with the moisturizing qualities of Vaseline, the mixture helps reduce fine lines, improves the appearance of wrinkles, and gives the skin a refreshed, youthful glow. I have personally used it on my hands, but it is also great for the face if you are looking for a more natural beauty treatment. After using this combination regularly, I noticed my skin felt softer, smoother, and much more vibrant. It is an affordable and safe alternative to expensive skincare products, and it actually works. Do you already use something similar at home? Share your experiences in the comments because your idea might help others too. I truly hope these 3 tips help you as much as they have helped me. Remember, the simplest ingredients are often the ones that bring the biggest changes. Stay connected for more amazing hacks and natural solutions in the next video.